Bayou Blizzards. We make New Orleans snowballs here in Castro Valley. If you're ever looking for a vendor for your party, street fair, event, we're more than happy to come and join you.
How cute. There goes 3 customers.
I'm gonna make
There you go. Look at that. The rainbow breeze. I top it.
Andre McKenzie with Bayou Blizzards Snowballs. You want to know what a snowball is? If you want us to cool down your party, you can find us at BayouBlizzards.com or on Instagram at Bayou Blizzards Snowballs.
That's it. Bring this to your party right there. Have truck will travel.
Anyway, he wrote a song called Stand